Welcome back to the Smart Talk podcast. How's it going? I'm so excited you're here for part 3 of our Think in English series. If you missed part 1 and part 2, definitely check them out first. We talked about building your English-only zone and training your inner voice. Super important stuff. But today, we're moving a step further. We're going to talk about something that actually makes thinking in English way easier, expanding your vocabulary for everyday thinking. You know, a lot of people tell me, I try to think in English, but I get stuck. And I get it. Honestly, it's not because they don't know English. It's usually because they don't have the right words ready in their mind when they need them. It's like, imagine trying to cook dinner but realizing you don't even have salt or oil. Frustrating, right? Same with thinking. If you don't have your basic vocabulary, especially the words you use every day, your brain gets stuck. So, what's the solution? Let's break it down. Tip number 1, master your daily vocabulary. First, you've got to master your daily words. I'm talking about the stuff you actually use. Not random dictionary words. Think about your daily life. If you're a foodie, learn words like crispy, spicy, grilled. If you're a student, words like assignment, deadline, notes, lecture, these should pop into your mind without stress. Seriously, make a list. Look at your normal day and ask, how would I say this in English? That's it. This small habit will lead to big results. Tip number 2, build personal word banks. Now, here's a really cool idea. Every night, before you go to bed, think about your day. Write down 5 things you did, and write them in English like this: I made coffee, I sent an email, I went for a walk. It sounds simple, but if you do this regularly, you're basically teaching your brain to think in English naturally. And bonus, it's kinda fun to see your English thoughts grow day by day. Tip number 3, think in phrases, not just words. And here's another important thing, don't just think about single words. Think in phrases. When we think, we don't go word by word. This is painfully slow, right? We think in groups of words. Phrases like, I feel like. I'm planning to. I can't wait to. These little phrase blocks make your thoughts flow. Trust me, phrases are the shortcut to fast thinking in English. So let's just quickly wrap this up. Thinking in English gets easier when your brain has the right tools, the words, the phrases, the structures you use daily. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. One little word bank at a time, one tiny phrase at a time, and soon, English will become your natural way of thinking. Alright, that's it for today's session. If you found this episode helpful, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and leave a comment telling me about 5 things you did today but only in English, okay? And guess what? In part for next week, we're gonna take it even further. I'm so pumped for that one, you don't want to miss it. Until next time, keep dreaming big and thinking smart. Bye for now.